In this video, I am going to show you how to use the pop view in Samsung Galaxy phones running on Oneui. Here are some of the apps which I opened in the background. Press and hold the particular app and simply in the middle you can see that drop here for pop-up view. Here you can see that you can place this pop window anywhere you want, like this. Here you can see that you can resize to whatever size you want. When you minimize further, it will be shown as a icon. When you tap on that, it will open the pop view. It's a quite handy feature to have on your phone. Here you can see that it stays as a top layer. If you open any apps in the background, pop view will take the top position. If you want to exit the top view, what you can do is you can simply press and hold and click on cancel. So that's it guys. In this way you can use pop view on Samsung Galaxy phones running on One UI 6. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.